Okay, this is a bond issuance problem. It's problem 21 from Chapter 3 of CFIN7. Mom's Motel Corporation NM plans to issue bonds to raise $175 million that it needs to support future operations. NM's investment banker will charge 2.5% of the total amount issued to help raise the funds. In addition, NM will incur other costs associated with the issue that total $500,000. Market value of each bond at issue time will be $1,000. How many bonds must NM sell to net $175 million after flotation costs? As always, assume that fractions of bonds cannot be issued. Show how much of the issue will consist of flotation costs and how much NM will receive after the issuance costs are paid. So the funds needed, $175 million. All right, needs to be formatting here. There we go. All right, so additional costs, $500,000. Flotation costs for the investment banker, 2.5%, 0.25%. All right, so my issue size equals, parentheses, 175 plus the 500,000 divided by 1 minus 2.5%. The underwriter's fee, get 180 million issue size. So we're going to get $1,000 for each bond. So number of bonds, 180 million divided by 1,000. And our flotation costs are simply the issue size minus the funds needed. So $5 million in issuance